And just like that, you've just lost all your money and you made absolutely nothing in return. Hey, the infamous Joel here. And if you're looking to get into legendary marketer, you've probably seen a bunch of people on TikTok and other platforms promoting the hell out of it. And you're thinking, I wonder what this is all about. I might want to try it. Well, I'm here to break down exactly what I think, because it's been a long time. I've been in affiliate marketing for 3 years doing it myself. And people ask me all the time what I think about legendary marketers. So I'm going to reveal to you exactly what I think about it in full detail. By the end of this video, you're going to be able to make your own decisions, because there's a lot of noise out there. Everybody's saying something about it and they're trying to entice you into getting into it. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about it right here in this video. Let's go. So first things first, if you're into making money online and this is your thing, this is your passion, you're trying to get out of your 9 to 5, you're sick and tired of working for a boss, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. I always like when people hit that like button. It's going to get on my good side, okay? Now let's dive deep. Legendary marketer, good old David Sharp, the owner, the creator. Very nice guy. I spoke to him a few times, and you want to know, you want to get right to the point. Is it worth it? Is it worth your time? Is it worth the initial $7 investment to get into the business builder and everything like that? And the simple answer you might be looking for is, honestly, it's maybe. Is it super high quality stuff for like $7? It's okay. And I know it's not like the best answer. You're probably looking for something like more straightforward, a yes or a no. Just tell me, should I get it, should I not? We built up a lot of trust on this channel. I give you a lot of stuff for free and you want to know what I think. But honestly, it's just not that simple. When it comes to legendary marketing, it's a learning platform to learn digital marketing specifically. There is an affiliate marketing aspect to it. You can promote the program as an affiliate. And yes, there is somewhat of a push to buy the program and then sell it to other people. And yes, David Sharp does have some background in the MLM world. MLM world has been kind of mixed in controversy as like pyramid scheme stuff sometimes. So there's that element to it. And a lot of people don't really like that element of legendary marketer, feeling like I bought this to learn how to start my own business. And then it just feels like all you're doing is telling me to promote your business, like their business for them. You just become a legendary marketer drone. You don't have a mind of your own all of a sudden. And a lot of people don't like that. Some people do. Some people like it. Some people say, well, I don't have my own business idea. I don't have my own products. I don't have anything. So just promoting legendary marketer is cool for me for now. I just like to make some money on the side. And if this grows, if this turns into something else, then great. If it doesn't, oh well, I only lost like $7. Here's the other problem. Are you ready? We're going to get into the other big problem that I have with legendary marketer. The thing is, you get caught up in upsell hell. I call it upsell hell. It's not just legendary marketer. I don't want to pick on legendary marketer and say it's the only platform that does this. A lot of platforms do it. I do it a little bit myself, even with my own $7 offer, okay? So there are upsells, and a lot of times they're optional. But here's the thing I don't like, that I find very unethical about legendary marketer, and why I just don't feel very comfortable sending people their way. People always ask me why I don't really heavily promote it. I have affiliate links myself, but I don't really promote it because I don't like the aspect that I'm about to tell you here right now. I don't like this one thing that they do. So what ends up happening when you buy their $7 offer is actually you go through the 15-day business builder, that thing that everybody always promotes on TikTok and everything. They're always talking about how great it is. And it's okay. It's not that great, really. It's a lot of mindset stuff, technical stuff you probably won't understand right away. Sounds super confusing, so it feels like you got your money's worth. And for $7, you can't really complain. I'm not saying it's a bad product. It's just okay. I'm gonna, toot my own horn and argue that my $7 offer, the first 1K blueprint, is a lot better. But I digress. Let's just focus on legendary marketer right now. So what they end up doing is they actually lock out a lot of the training when you sign up. Okay, when you sign up for the $7 offer and you go through the 15-day business builder, a lot of the days are actually locked out. You can't access those days. You can't access those trainings unless you set up a call with your advisor. Okay, and I put that in air quotes because here's the thing about talking to your advisor. They're not really there to coach you, to mentor you, to help you build your business, etc., etc. They might give you some tips. They might give you some advice. A lot of stuff you can probably just find for free right here on my YouTube channel. So there's really no point in going through it. But with that being said, another thing, there's probably going to be a playlist somewhere in the corner. You can watch more of my YouTube videos and just get free training right here. But That being said, the thing about the business builder advisor, the business advisor, is that they're always trying to push you very subtly at first, but then sometimes they get a little aggressive. They're trying to push you to buy more products. They're trying to push you to buy higher ticket items, meaning like $2,000 and above, which is a common practice. Again, I'm not trying to like pick on Legendary Marketer and say that they're the only ones doing this, but they're a pretty big name. And at some point, it just becomes this over corporatized, like over the top. Everyone needs to, they have so many mouths to feed. It's just a massive company. So they're always pushing to get more out of your wallet, more and more and more. If you have questions, you need support, you need help. Well, here's the next product you can buy. Here, you need to buy this, you need to buy that. There's nothing inherently wrong with that. I just don't feel comfortable sending a beginner their way, because a beginner typically doesn't really know where to go or what to do, or where to start or anything. So they're willing to listen to anybody's advice. And the problem with listening to their advice is a lot of times, not all the time, but a lot of times they don't really fit the product or the service or the thing that you need with, exactly is what I'm trying to say. So they don't fit the product or service or the thing that you actually need with exactly what you're saying. They'll just push to you a product or service that's just the highest price. The most expensive thing that they have is what they will push to you, but oftentimes it's not the thing that you actually need. That's not the thing that you actually need to move forward in your business and start getting some good results. So that I see as a big problem, and that's why I don't always feel comfortable sending people to Legendary Marketer. Overall, if you were to give me a score like from 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a 5. It's just in the middle. It's just so-so. It's okay training. I've done a lot of training in my day. I've joined a lot of consulting and coaching programs, all the way up to 20 grand programs. Some of them were a waste of time, some of them were not. But I can tell you that as a beginner, as a complete beginner, if I would go back to all the way to the beginning and start off learning about digital marketing, affiliate marketing stuff, how to make money online and everything, and you put Legendary Marketer in front of me, I couldn't really complain. Honestly, it's $7. I mean, even if you don't get a whole ton out of it and you just get pitched a bunch to buy a bunch of other stuff, I want you to pay attention to one thing. I want you to pay attention to what they're doing, not so much what you're learning in the program. Really pay attention to how they set up their funnels. How are they marketing? How are the videos being presented? What is the message? Because that's actually how you're going to learn more than actually what they're teaching. They're teaching a bunch of technical stuff, but really marketing lies in the heart of what they're saying in their words, how they're crafting stories, how they're enticing emotion. They're trying to get you to buy the next thing. That's real marketing. So you can actually learn a lot from the $7 if you come in there with the right glasses on, okay? So watch what they do rather than listen to what they say. So if you actually do want to give Legendary Marketer a try, I forewarned you, they're going to call you, they're going to try to pitch the hell out of you. But if you want to give it a shot, I have the affiliate link down in the description below. If you don't want to give that a try, you can either just check out the rest of my YouTube channel. I'll leave like some kind of card up here that'll slide open and it'll give you a playlist for affiliate marketing for beginners or something like that. Or you can check out my very own $7 offer, the first 1K online blueprint, which literally is designed to walk you all the way to your first $1,000 online. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not a push button magical wand, any kind of thing like that. But it does break down to you every single step that you need, everything you need to complete. There are milestones. It's a click by click, step by step. I've done a lot of work for you. A lot of the tech stuff is already taken care of, so you can check that out in the description as well. And if you're just interested in learning how to make money online, not really interested in doing affiliate marketing, any kind of complicated business like that, I have a whole playlist right here or right there somewhere. I don't know. So a whole playlist where you can just learn all these different make money online tactics